Similarly, if you want to do it in your local system, maybe PyCharm, etc., if you want to do it, how to process that? That's also simple. Okay, maybe where is Spark located? Spark located. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, Spark section. Where is XML file? Here you have XML file. Spark read format, etc. Same. Let's take one more data set. Any other data set in my local computer. For example, I have in my local computer this big data folder. Okay, big data folder. Here I have some different XML data. This is XML data. If you open this XML data, if you open this XML data in real-time scenario, also client will share that information. This is called, okay, normal row 1. This is called record 1. Otherwise, if you don't know all these things, Google it. If you Google it, you will get different data sets. Okay, just a minute. Sample XML data download. Like that. If you Google it, you will get different XML files. Okay, maybe go to this. Okay, here different XML files you have. Download this. Above there is a download option available. Click that. Okay, something sample XML data. Download that. Download away. Okay, this is that XML data. Now I want to process this data right now. In this scenario, Control X, my recommendation, just place in this big data sets and paste that. Paste that. Here the data available here, sample data. Okay, now I want to process that. At the time, open your PyCharm. Okay, here replace that XML data. Don't forget here my recommend, if don't forget to mention double slashes, otherwise it's considered as a escaped character. Okay, then within this data, what is the row tag? What is the row tag? Here sample customers order, right click, open, show more, notepad ++. Here root means it is a root. This is row tag. This is customer ID, customer something ID, something like that. You have different customers. So customer is a row tag, row number 1, row number 2, like that. Okay, one more thing, it is case sensitive. Don't forget that. Okay, so copy that. Now root tag not required. Sorry. Okay, here row tag. What is the row tag? This is row tag. Okay, root tag is optional. Even if you are not specified, that's not a matter. So you are reading like this. That's it. Then what happened? Right click and run. If it is working, okay. If it is not working, what is the reason? What is the reason? I think this dependency, 5 minutes back you downloaded it, no? I think that jar located. Wait. That dependency located within the big data. Here only you have that jar. Here only that XML jar available. Okay. Copy this XML jar. Where is the Spark located? Spark. Spark located. Okay. Here. Scroll down a little bit. Spark you are using 3.2.2. Here there is a jars. Copy that jar here. Spark XML jar. Okay. Then what happened? Earlier you will get class not found error. Please check. Hey man, there is a class not found error means 100% only one reason. What is that? Dependency error. That's it. Okay. After creating table, maybe it will take little time. Now please check. This is simple XML data. Okay. Now I want to store this data someday in the form of anything. But here one more thing. What is this? What is this? df dot print schema. What is the data type it is? This is all data types is not working in CSV. CSV is different, XML is different, Excel is different. Excel means Microsoft product. XML means it is a markup language. It's completely pure, different. And the CSV data means common separated data. Most of the cases in real time getting that one. Now, what this full address is in the form of structure. Okay, structure. In this scenario, what are you doing? Simple, very, very simple. Okay, I want to make a structure to this data, structure. Then what happened? df is equal df select. Just mention all these column names. Okay. Phone followed by customer ID. Okay. Along with that, full address. This is important. Comma. Here, this is dot star. Don't forget that. Parent column, dot child column. So star. At the time, what happened? Let me see what happened. Automatically, you'll get an idea. Okay. df dot show. df dot print schema. Okay. In case some rare cases it's not working, you have to mention call off this one, call off this one, call off this one, like that. Otherwise, call off customer ID. Okay, dot alias customer ID. This is also fine. At the time, what happened? Instead of underscore, you will get that. Now, please check data, everything plain, nice tree format. Please note CSV data unable to support this struct format, array format, all these things. Okay. After converting this, now I want to store this data somewhere. Then what happens? Simple. Okay. CSV format header somewhere. Now please check data, everything ready. I think earlier you don't have all this form. Why? That is unstructured data I'm making as a complex data types. I'm making as a structured. That is that. Now, I want to store this data. At the time, what happens? Simple. Simple. Okay. What is that? XML to CSV. Format like that. Okay. Data sets. My recommendation output. And now try to store. Save this data. At the time, please verify. Big data. Data sets. In that data set, automatically you'll get a folder called output. No, data set output. Automatically you'll get output. Automatically you'll get XML format. Automatically you'll get same results. Please check. Is you got same expected CSV format or not? Company name, company, etc., etc., etc. So in that way, CSV data you can convert like this. XML data also you are able to convert like this. That may be using Databricks or you can use directly local computer. Of course, here instead of this folder, you can folder followed by this, directly you can convert to CSV. That is also possible. How? In my YouTube channel, I already explained, just to follow that. Otherwise, that video I already shared in this YouTube description. Please follow that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to explain. Also, I already shared these dependencies. What are the dependencies required? Everything that appropriate links I already mentioned in this YouTube video. Just follow that. Okay. Fine. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to explain. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy learning.